The WeHere 192 key lockbox feels solid and secure thanks to its thick cold-rolled steel construction and rust-resistant finish, which should hold up well in busy offices or garages. It supports several access methods, including physical keys, application-based Bluetooth, optional Wi-Fi bridge control, and app set code, so different staff can use whatever is most convenient for them. Inside, the hooks and tags are laid out so keys do not overlap, and the labeling areas make it easy to keep track of which key belongs to which room, vehicle, or client. The magnetized door frame pulls the double doors shut on its own, so even if someone forgets to latch it fully, the cabinet does not casually swing open. Capacity is generous enough to handle a large mix of emergency keys, building keys, and vehicle keys, making it a practical hub for property managers, car fleets, and hotels. Pre-drilled mounting holes, included hardware, and simple battery-powered electronics make installation straightforward, and the companion application helps you monitor battery status and manage access over time.